Hello and welcome to another update video about Chainlink. It rallied so far above the previous high, so that means Chainlink has broken above that descending trend line that I think we talked about it yesterday. I don't know, but you can certainly draw a trend line here, basically some kind of a resistance level here, descending trend line. If that's broken, then you can typically say that's the first indication that the trend is shifting. In this case, we could do that. It even rallied above it and retested it from above, and saw already a very, very early, rather weak, but still saw a bullish reaction to it, or some kind of a positive reaction. And the next signal that we are indeed reversing would be a break above the previous wave 4 high at 754. It certainly has enough waves to the downside. It tested, I think, 3 times. It tested here the, 3 times it tested here the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement. Yeah, if you can see this. So 3 times, once, twice, 3 times here. And the last time it then actually made, it actually rallied and made a higher high, whereas before it only made a lower high. So that's a good indication a low could be in. It's still very early days though. And if it breaks below the $7.10 level, which is yesterday's low, it could still max out the support area all the way down to 686. But we're not there yet. At the moment, the trend, very short term, might be going up already. And if it does that, then I would expect substantial price increases into the $10 range, maybe even higher. So we still have the situation that we have a really good reward to risk ratio here. If it turns around, it rallies in a third wave of a third. So we might just be on the edge of breaking out to the upside. It's a bit too early to say that. Depends surely a little bit on Bitcoin, Ethereum as well. But as you know, they are also in their support areas and could now continue with the third wave to the upside. There is not much more to add, really, only that if we break below 686, it will put much more emphasis on the scenario that I showed you before, where we will make eventually another low. That's of course not confirmed either. And as long as these support levels are holding, and especially here the low that was made on the 14th of February is holding, I don't have a reason to believe that we necessarily will get there. But we need to have an open mind, because making a lower low here is still fairly probable for Link. It's still fairly probable. And I'm following here a bullish and a bearish count, and will trade the patterns which are currently, which the market put into an advantage, as at the moment the long trade setup, because here we have a good reward to risk ratio. If that breaks, however, it could open the door to $4 and below. That's my update about Link. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.